Hi guys, it's Ariana. Welcome back to my channel. So we are finally back. We are done our holidays. It is now Saturday the 20th of July and I can sit down and I can pound out a bunch of videos. So I'm really excited because I'm really behind. I have so many products that I want to share with you guys and review and do my first impressions on, and I've just been so busy this last month or so that I've just haven't been able to film anything. As you guys can tell if you are a subscriber already, I haven't uploaded in like a week and a half because I literally have nothing to upload because I've been traveling. But now that I am back in the studio and I can finally sit down and film a video, I'm really excited. So I had a company reach out to me. They are the brand, I'm sorry if I say this wrong, it's Duvolle Brands Incorporate. So they asked me if I'd be interested in reviewing one of their products. I gave them my normal spiel of, I would love to test out your products, but I hope you guys realize that all of my reviews are 100% honest, and if I don't like something, it's nothing personal. I'm just not going to give a positive review to something that I don't actually like. So keep that in mind in this review. If I end up not liking the product, that is just my opinion. That's just my first impressions. You guys may think that this product works amazing. You guys may have a different opinion than me. I'm just giving you guys my personal opinion. So I've never used anything from this brand before. So this is Duvolle Incorporate, and they asked me if I'd be interested in testing out one of their body brushes and face brushes. It's like an exfoliator. So if you guys are familiar with my channel, I have reviewed products like this in the past and I really liked them. So I was incredibly excited to try it, obviously, because I like facial brushes and I like body brushes. I'm really excited for this one in particular because it is a 4 interchangeable accessories that come with it. So you've got a facial brush, a large body cleansing brush, a facial cleansing brush, and pumic stone. Is that how you say it? Pumic? I can't speak. Anyway, so this is what it looks like. I'll zoom in so you guys can see. So it's kind of like a mint packaging and it comes with all of the accessories on it. It has the 2 brushes down here, the large face brush here, and the pumic stone right here, and then the actual exfoliator handle thing. So on their site, if you go onto the Duvolle, it's D-U-V-O-L-L-E, so Duvolle site, it comes up with all of their products, so the featured products, and the Radiance Spin Care System is the one that I received, and it retails for 95 USD. So this product retails for $95, but Duvolle has been kind enough to give me a coupon code to give to all of you. So this coupon code gives 70% off on all styling tools and Radiance Spin Care Systems. So I will put the coupon code in the description box down below. I will also put it in my description box on Instagram if you guys are following me on Instagram, but it'll direct you with the link to where you can purchase this item, and with the coupon code GLIMMER2019. I will post it right here. It is a pretty expensive product, but I believe that the last brush that I reviewed as well was the, it was another facial brush, and it was from, you can get them at Sephora, and I believe that they were around $100 as well. It was the Soniclear Petite. That's the one that I reviewed before, and I really liked it, so I'm really excited to see if I like this one. So, let's break into it. So I'm not being paid to review this product. They just asked me if I wanted to test it out, and I get to keep the product whether I like it or not. They're not paying me to review it. They just asked me if I wanted to, and I just said sure because I like it. One moment. They were literally barking at fucking nothing. Alright, so all of the attachments look like this. This is the body brush, so this is the one that you obviously use on your body. This is the one that you use on your body. These are the face brushes, so they look like this. And then the Puma Stone looks like that, and it has like a little attachment on the back. And then the actual brush and handle looks like this. So it is actually really sturdy, and I'm really excited. So it says open. So I'm assuming that's where the battery goes. I can't open it because I suck at life. Wonder. So it wants me to read the instructions. I'm hoping it comes with batteries because I don't know if I have any. Alright, well I'm gonna have to take a pause in this video for a minute and run to the store because it actually takes batteries and it didn't come with any batteries and I don't have any batteries in my house at the moment. So I believe it takes 4 AA batteries, so I need to go pick up some batteries because I don't have any. So I will be right back. Okay, I am finally back. I got some batteries and now it's time to put this thing together. So because I'm not obviously going to be washing my body on camera, I am going to use the face brush portion. So it doesn't really say which one's the exfoliating brush and which one's... Oh, I'm assuming this one's the exfoliating brush because it's a little bit rougher and this one's the cleansing brush because it's softer. I'm guessing. Yes, I was right. Alright. So this is the exfoliating brush. It's a little bit thicker, I guess, and it's a little bit rougher. And then the cleansing brush is a lot softer. And if you buy it, it gives you a diagram and you can see the difference between the two. So hard to show you guys on camera because they look almost identical. But anyway, there is a little bit of a difference. So the instructions say... The Radiance Spin Care System is a waterproof unit which is ideal for the use in the shower. It includes 4 interchangeable brush attachments, large facial cleansing brush, facial exfoliator, and a pumice stone. So, To apply a brush with your favorite cleanser, gently move the brush across your face while moving the unit in a circular motion. Apply the brush to your face flat, not at an angle, and then you do the rest. So we want you to do the exfoliator brush first. So I actually don't have any more of my Tula cleanser. I ran out, I need to repurchase more, but a couple people have asked me to review the GlamGlow cleanser. So I guess you guys are getting 2-in-1 in this video. So I have never used this before and it doesn't really smell like anything, which is great for me because I don't really go for really strong scents. But I'm gonna quickly go grab a cloth so that I can wipe my face. And so I'm gonna use the exfoliator brush first. So it just attaches on like that. It just clips on. It's super simple. It really just clips on. And I have a bowl with the water here, hot water, and my GlamGlow cleanser that I got in the Boxylux, I believe, Boxylux or the BoxyCharm or the FabFitFun. I don't remember where I got this. Got this in a subscription box. So I am going to demo, I guess. The GlamGlow cleanser really doesn't smell like anything. It has like a very mild scent, so works for me. So it wants you to apply the brush with your favorite cleanser. I'm just gonna get my face nice and clean and wet. So I don't find that the exfoliator side is really that rough, which is really great because I have pretty sensitive skin. It actually feels quite nice, so I'm liking that so far. I would avoid using it underneath your eyes though, because I just tried right there and I found that it was, my skin is just a little bit too sensitive in that spot, so I'm going to avoid my under eye area with the brush. So that's the exfoliator part. So now I'm just going to rinse off the attachment in the water, take it off, and then I'm going to rinse my face. This will obviously be a lot easier to do in the shower, obviously. First impressions, my face feels incredibly clean. It is a little bit red, but that's just my natural, like, my skin always goes super red when I wash my face for whatever reason. I really like the GlamGlow conditioner. It's like a facial conditioner. It made my skin feel really clean and really refreshed. So I'm excited to continue to play with this and use it. I don't really have too much to say about it as I don't know how my skin's going to react to it. I'll let you guys know in a future video if it made my skin break out or anything, but so far I like it as a first impression. It's not bad. The next thing that we're going to do, we're going to move on to the cleanser brush. So I am going to use the cleanser brush now, and it says to use prior to exfoliation. So the exfoliation brush is what you're supposed to use second apparently, but clearly I can't read instructions. So you're supposed to use the facial cleanser brush first and then the exfoliator brush second. I'm doing it in the opposite order because I can't read apparently. So I'm just going to use the brush on my skin without any product on it, just because I want to see what it feels like, if it feels a lot different than the exfoliator portion or not. So let's give it a go. It feels softer, that's for sure. It doesn't feel as rough. The exfoliator brush I didn't find to be like overly rough in the first place. Like I've used a lot of exfoliators, and that one was a more gentle exfoliation in my opinion. But this portion of the brush would be really great for taking off makeup. So I definitely like it. It feels like it's very soft. It's like a very soft brush running across my face, so that's nice. And then the body cleansing brush I'm obviously not going to use because I'm not going to do that on camera because that would be weird. And then the Pumice Stone for rough skin. So prior to use, immerse your foot in warm water, and then you can use this brush in the shower with your Pumice Stone on your foot. So I've never actually used a Pumice Stone, so I will have to do that probably in my own time and see if I like it. I have watched my mom use these in the past, and I've never really been interested in using them, so I don't know how well this is going to work or if I'll like it, but I'll definitely try it out in the future and let you guys know my thoughts. But as for now, I am going to run into the shower, and I'm just going to have a quick shower, and I'm going to use this brush, and then maybe I will use the Pumice Stone in the shower, and I can give you guys my thoughts. You guys aren't going to be able to see me using it, obviously, because I'll be in the shower, but I'll give you my thoughts once I'm done. So I'm going to quickly go do that, and I will be right back. Okay, I am back, and I am all clean now, and I got to use the body cleanser and the Pumice Stone. So obviously I didn't show that on camera because I'm not going to show you guys me in the shower. It's just kind of weird. So I used the Pumice Stone and the body cleanser. I'm not really a big fan of the body cleanser just because I prefer loofahs. It's just me in particular. There was nothing wrong with it. I just don't think I'll use it very often just because I prefer my loofah. It's just like easier and quicker to do for me. The Pumice Stone felt really good. I honestly have no idea how to really use them, so I just kind of used it to the best of my ability, and it tickled my foot a lot. So I didn't really have an issue with it. I thought it was really great. My feet feel really soft right now, so that's a plus. I really like the facial portion of this brush. I think that the exfoliator and the cleansing brush are really awesome, and I'm definitely going to incorporate them into my everyday routine just because I love facial brushes and I love having like a really, really clean feeling skin. It's great, and hopefully it'll help clear up some of this breakouts I got going on. As for the GlamGlow, I really liked it. A little bit bright. I really liked the GlamGlow. I thought it was really nice. It didn't have a really heavy scent, and it made my skin feel really, really good. So I'm really impressed with that. So I don't remember which subscription box I got it in, but I'm happy I did. And then this Radiance skincare system is really awesome. I think that it coming with 4 different attachments is really great. The other exfoliator brushes that I've tried in the past have just been exfoliator brushes. They've just come with 1 attachment, and that's all you really get with it. I find that this is really awesome that there's like different sizes and different options to choose from. I think that is a really, really great idea, especially for it only being about $95. So of course $95 is a little bit on the pricier side for some people, but I always say that it's really great to invest in skincare, so $95 for 4 different attachments and an entire brush is actually not that expensive at all. It's really great, so I would highly recommend checking this brand out. I will link the company down below so you guys can check out their website and see all of the different brushes that they got going on. And I was not paid to do this little tutorial and review. I just they sent it to me and they wanted to know my thoughts, so this is my opinion. The only con that I would say that I have towards this skincare system in particular is the fact that you have to use batteries. The other brushes that I've used in the past have come with chargers, so I like brushes that have a charger station more than I like batteries, because I always run out of batteries. I never have batteries. As you guys saw in the beginning of this video, I literally had to run to Walmart just to do this video because I didn't actually have batteries in my house. So I prefer brushes that come with a charging station, that have a charger adapter, that comes with like just a charger ability. I think that's a lot better than using batteries, but that's really just a first world problem. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more content like this, and I hope you guys will check out my other videos, and I'll see you guys at the next one. Bye.